my channel. In this video, it's going to be another Just Talk episode. So if you have any other topics or any other questions or anything that you would like for me to talk about, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, or you can DM me at my Instagram or Snapchat, or you can email me, and everything is listed down below in the description box. So in this Just Talk, we're going to be talking about Black Lives Matter and minding your own business, okay? Now originally it was going to be just minding your own business, and I'm just going to be talking about, like, as far as like relationships, friendships, you know, stuff like that. Just kind of mind your own business. You know, every time you can't always fix stuff, you know, because I had that problem, you know, even as a peacemaker, sometimes you just need to mind your own business, okay? So, but with recent events and everything that we have going on in the country or in the world right now, I felt it would be good to go ahead and tie Black Lives Matter and mind your own business together, because they definitely go together. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and stay tuned. So now with Just Talk, it's basically literally just me talking from the dome. I don't write nothing down. I don't take no notes, none of that, okay? Whatever comes to my head is what's gonna come out of my mouth, all right? So as far as minding your own business, so I just feel like if everybody would mind their own business, or more importantly, mind your own business that pays you, honey, we would be good to go, and we would not have all these problems in the world, okay? Like, there's just so much going on right now, and it's been going on for years. Like, let's be honest, it's been going on for years. However, honey, we fed up, and people can say what they want to about the whole George Floyd situation, but I do feel like, you know, it was what kind of really started, you know, all the current protests and all the kind of stuff that's going on right now. And let me first say that I appreciate all of the white people or other ethnicities that are standing up for us, that are joining us in protesting and everything like that, because it's important to have that. It's important for us all to come together and unite and stand up for one cause. And so I do want to say that up front, is that I really do appreciate you guys standing up and joining with us. So, but for the Karens out there, as they call them, or the Billy Bobs, or whoever you want to call these people that are causing all these problems and just are really disrespecting us, I really have a problem with y'all. Like the woman who didn't want to put a dog on a leash and called the police on the man, or there was an incident in a convenience store where a boy pushed up against a white woman and she called the police, or another instance right here in Oklahoma where a truck driver was making a delivery into a gated community, and a neighbor came out asking, how do you have access to here? How did you get in here? Like, obviously he got the gate code and was able to come in and make a delivery. Like, the neighbor had to get on the phone and tell him, hey, I gave him the code so he can make my delivery, let him go. Like, shit like that. Like, that's just fucking crazy. Or black people not being able to go to a picnic or go in a park to take pictures without getting a police called on them. Or let's not even talk about just running. Okay, we can't run down the street either. Let's not even talk about that. Okay. And then what was another situation? These black men were using a gym in a office plaza. They had an office there, a store there, and one of the other people that was leasing out our office came and asked them, how do y'all have access to this gym? Or how are y'all using this gym? Do y'all have an office here? Asking for their information and name and stuff. And it's like, who are you? Maybe that should be the name of the Just Talk. Is who the fuck are you to think that you can come to me and ask me all these questions. Who am I? What am I doing here? What's my name? Where I live? And how did I get these codes? And obviously I got the fucking access code and I was able to use the gym. Or obviously somebody gave me the gate code for me to be able to get in and make this delivery. Like, who are these people that think they are entitled to really question us and ask us all these questions and feel like we should answer them? I really have a problem with you people, and I really would like to understand why you think your entitled ass, okay, has the privilege or even the decency to even be asking us these questions. Ain't nobody asking y'all no motherfucking questions, so leave us the fuck alone. Or about the other one, they was just in a community pool. They lived in a neighborhood, was in the community pool, and people want to come to them, ask them, how are y'all in this pool? How do y'all have access to this pool? Let me see your key card. Let me see where you live. Mind your own goddamn business, okay? I feel like if I'm not bothering you or your kids, I'm not bothering your property, I'm not stealing from you, I'm not causing you no harm or nothing, mind your own business. Why are you asking me questions, okay? Why? What gives you the right to even question me? And then you want to call the police on me? Like, I just feel like these people need to mind their own motherfucking business and go take their ass home. Go the fuck home, okay? Mind your business. Do what the fuck you gotta do. I'm minding my own. Or you don't see me asking you questions. You don't see me bothering you. So why the fuck is you bothering me? Like, I really have a problem with that. And I really don't understand why people day in and day out, you would think with the age of social media, people will pipe down. You think people will calm the fuck down. But no, these people are steady doing this shit. And they steady getting blasted. They steady getting kicked out of their office buildings. They getting arrested. They're losing their jobs over this stuff. Like, ain't nobody playing with y'all no more. Okay, people are losing brand deals, people are getting fired, you're losing money, okay? You're losing money because you would rather bother us. Leave us the fuck alone and mind the business that pays you, okay? Because if you would mind the business that pays you, you wouldn't be losing your job, okay? You wouldn't be losing your office building, okay? You wouldn't be having to step down from companies and your large corporations or whatever, because you would be minding your own business, okay? And don't even get me started on the NBA, the NFL, and child, that's a whole nother video. And Trump's ass, that's a whole nother video too. Like, I just feel like these people out here is really, really trying us, and they really have been trying us for years. But honey, they better catch the fuck on, because ain't nobody playing with them no more. In this age of social media, you will get dragged, you will get arrested, and you will lose your job because you saying the wrong shit. Okay? And what I really need is for my people, I need for us to really band together and let's really change some shit. Okay? Let's really make these laws work. Okay? Let's really make a change, and let's not give up. Let's not stop this until something is done, because it makes no sense that I can't even sit in my house and not be worried about the police breaking in on my fucking door and killing me. Or out in my car driving around, my husband out driving around, my brother out driving around, and they get mistaken to look like somebody else. And they end up dead on the street. I was watching this one video where I can't remember what her name was, but I may insert the clip or leave a link down below. But she was asking, I think her name was Jane, I can't remember the name of it. She was asking, would you trade places with a black person? If you white and you wouldn't trade places with a black person, then there's a problem. Because you know that if something is wrong, and you know that we're being treated unfairly, and you ain't doing shit about it. Okay? Okay? We can't be, bystanders anymore to this shit. We can't be silent about this shit no more. And that's the other hand of minding your business. Sometimes you do need to step in, and sometimes you do need to interfere. I was seeing some videos on Facebook where there was white people that was policing the police, because we're in a day and age where we're having to do that now. And I appreciate those people that did stand up and that did look out for the people that were being arrested, to make sure that they really did get arrested and they were taken to jail or whatever and had their due process and did not end up dead on the street. I appreciate that. So on one side, yes, you do need to mind your own business and go the fuck home for them Karens out there. Alright? But on the other hand, where George Floyd was, I'm thinking somebody should have stepped in and got the damn police officer off his neck. Somebody should have said something. Somebody should have did something. Sometimes recording it and posting it on social media ain't enough. Thank God we do have that video and we were able to, you know, spread the word and put it out there. But sometimes if you're front and center, you need to do something. So on one hand, yes, I need those negative Nancy's, those Billy Bobs, those Karens that want to call the police on people. I need them bitches to mind their own motherfucking business and take their asses home. But the bystanders and the people that is witnessing this shit happen, I need y'all to step up and shut the shit down. I need y'all to get involved and say, hey, you shouldn't be doing that, police officer. Or hey, I need you to get your motherfucking knee off his neck. He can't breathe. Or I need us to take care of each other and look out for each other and be united together. Because it makes no sense that it's 2020 and we still having to protest and we still having to talk about this shit. We still talking about basic human rights. Okay? We still talking about basic humans being treated fairly. It makes no motherfucking sense that in 2020 we still having to talk about this. Okay? It doesn't matter what the fuck the color of my skin is, okay? I should be treated fairly just like the next person. It shouldn't matter how my hair is or if I got dreads or tattoos, piercing, like none of that should matter. Okay? Everybody needs to be treated equally. And everybody needs to be treated fairly. Okay? So at the end of the day, all I'm saying is that I need people to mind their own motherfucking business, okay? And not be calling police on us. And then I also need us to step up and come together to make a change and to not be quiet bystanders anymore. And that's for everybody, no matter the color of your skin. You see some shit happening, you say something. Okay? That's like the people that was policing the police. We gotta do that now. We gotta do that now. So, yeah, that's pretty much what I gotta say. All I know is that for me in my life, my motto, all 2020, is my own goddamn business. Okay? All the rest of my life too, shit. I'm gonna mind my own business, okay? Why? Because I want peace and money. Minding my own business is gonna give me peace and money, okay? Minding my own business and minding the business that pays me, okay? Who don't want peace? Who don't want money? Okay? So there's my 2 cents. If you guys have any other topics or suggestions or anything that you would like for me to talk about, please leave them down below. If you have a comment or an opinion or something you would like to say, please leave that down below as well. Yeah, you guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.